Are you looking for powerful, free tools to supercharge your PC or Mac? Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get things done more efficiently, this guide has you covered. First, let's dive into productivity tools. If you're on Windows or Mac, you can't go wrong with Notion. It's a flexible, all-in-one workspace for managing tasks, projects, and even personal journaling. Best of all, it syncs across devices. Next, there's LibreOffice, a free alternative to Microsoft Office that works seamlessly on both platforms. Need to collaborate? Use Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. They're cloud-based, so sharing and editing in real time is a breeze. For focus and time management, try Trello or Todoist. They both help you organize tasks visually and are great for staying on track with deadlines. And don't forget Clockify if you want to track your time like a pro. Now, let's talk about creativity. Whether you're editing photos, videos, or designing graphics, these tools are must-haves. For photo editing, check out GIMP. It's a free alternative to Photoshop with powerful editing capabilities. For vector graphics, Inkscape is perfect for creating illustrations or logos. On the video editing side, there's DaVinci Resolve, a Hollywood-grade video editor that's completely free. If you're a beginner, try CapCut Desktop for something simpler yet effective. If you love creating music or podcasts, go for Audacity. It's lightweight, versatile, and works great for editing audio. And finally, for 3D modeling and animation, there's Blender, a tool that professionals swear by, but it's free for everyone. Your computer's performance matters, so here are some free tools to keep it running smoothly. For security, use Malwarebytes, a free antivirus tool that quickly scans and removes threats. If you need more storage space, try CCleaner for Windows or Clean My Mac X free version for Mac to clean up unnecessary files. Need to share files? Dropbox and Google Drive offer free plans for seamless cloud storage. Want to make your PC more powerful? AutoHotkey is amazing for creating keyboard shortcuts on Windows. On Mac, Alfred is a supercharged spotlight search tool that boosts your productivity. Lastly, don't forget 7-Zip or the Unarchiver for extracting compressed files effortlessly. To wrap up, here are some bonus tools that are perfect for any user. For browsing, ditch the default options and download Brave or Vivaldi for privacy and speed. If you're into coding, VS Code is a free, lightweight, and highly customizable code editor. Want to learn a new language? Duolingo is fun and engaging for anyone trying to pick up a second language. And don't miss out on tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams for meetings and calls, which work seamlessly on both Mac and Windows. These free tools can transform your experience on your computer. Try them out and see the difference they make.